Hey everyone, I'm going to talk about the four tests at Manchester. The joy of saving a test match and saving a series is so fabulous. It's been quite a long time that we've seen matches drawn to save this scenario. India did it very well. Fair to say that England were the clear favorites for almost the 3.5 days of the test, firing up 600 odd runs, beautiful bowling by Ben Stokes, picking up his 5-4 after 8 long years, and amazing century by Joe Root picking up his 38th century. Wow, what numbers are those? 21 centuries after COVID. It's not everyone's game in terms of test cricket. He's sitting in the elite company of Sachin and Ricky Ponting. Absolutely wonderful player. Modern day great. Ben Stokes picked up his century as well. Very rare feat of taking a 5-4 and getting a century. When India came on to bat, it was a Herculean task. Trailing around 300 odd runs, we were staring at defeat. And the moment Chris Woakes took the 2 wickets, taking Jaiswal and Sudarshan's wicket for naught, I was like, this game is done and dusted in a couple of sessions, because not all teams get away from such scenarios. I had written off, to be very honest, and it proved me wrong. I'll have to take back my words. KL Rahul has answered the batting woes to a large extent, opening slot, and Shubman Gill. What an innings he's got. Leading from the front, captain is not baffled by pressure. I think it brings the best out of him in such scenarios. Absolutely wonderful innings by KL Rahul. He deserved a century, got out on 90. Gill played around 40 overs, got a century. Absolutely amazing. What an innings he's got. He's got 4 centuries already in this test series. When these two batsmen got out, I thought it's very difficult to survive almost the later part of the lunch and the tea and the post-tea session. Then came Washington Sundar. This guy has played useful contributions whenever he's given an opportunity. And even Sir Ravindra Jadeja. 4 wickets, showed a true spirit of what resilience looks like. Fifth test 50 on the trot in the series. Absolute amazing consistency. Superb. They never looked out of sorts, and it was already written in the face of Englishmen that they tried everything. They tried the short pitch stuff. The ball wasn't doing well, and even Dawson couldn't get much from the rough surface was concerned though. The way these people batted, 1.5 sessions, 145 overs, hardly have seen any test match in the recent past going down to draw a series and a test. Amazing. It speaks volumes of the team's temperament and consistency though, and determination. Although it's not good what gesture was given by Ben Stokes. Really, unlike a gentleman thing, when two players are in their 80s and 90s staring at 100, offering them a draw, it's not good at all. India were it was a very much a right call to continue the batting, because they deserve this. After promising starts, they got to a stage where they enjoy the benefits of it. And Ben Stokes' comment like you want to hit a century against the likes of Harry Brew wasn't in the true spirit. If it is the true spirit, this is the example that English team has set this time around. What a fabulous innings. India is on a better position mentally as well. We are on a situation where we can as well draw the series. It's a wonderful innings. It is in fact more than a victory. It's not just a draw. The series is wide open. We have every chance of leveling this series. Looking forward for a good test match though. I'll see you after the end of 5th test, and kudos and have fun. Cheers.